Hi guys, welcome to Turbine Tutorials. Today we're going to go through the expense claim process. This should get rid of the current Excel version of the expense claim form and it should make life a lot easier in finding expenses, getting them approved electronically, and not having to worry about papers going missing or anything like that. So let's get started. First, you're going to choose your expense categories on the left of your screen. This will bring up the list of expense claims under your name. You'll see it here once we've completed an expense claim. There's a whole list here of approved, not approved, and paid expenses. So the first thing you do is click on the Request Expense button here. This will bring up your expense claim form on the right-hand side of the screen. You'll obviously see your own name here. So first you'll select the cost center that this expense claim relates to. Let's say in this case it's for Canterbury, just select Canterbury. The supplier you select will be your own name, so that's where the expense claim will be paid out to. Then you'll just clear out this line because we've got a pre-populated list of expenses here when you click on the Quick Add button. All of the expenses that you would claim for should be on here. If there's one missing, then please just drop me a mail and I'll add it for you. Let's say you want to claim your normal expense claims like fuel, your cell phone, and coffee that you took a customer on. You'll see also that there's a pre-populated quantity and VAT percentage in there. That you'll have to fill out the item cost excluding VAT. So let's say your fuel was 470 Rand ex VAT. We'll fill that out. Your cell phone was 1,000 Rand ex VAT, and entertainment, so it was 40 Rand. Okay, and you had to. Right, so all your lines are completed. You can add your slips like you would normally with your expense claim, attach it to the back. I don't have an example for a slip, but I'm just going to add the quote. You'll see it processes the attachment. Once it's processed, you'll see a little tick mark and the PDF next to it. You can click on here and it'll bring up the actual attachment. It's quite easy. After that, for the summary, you'll just fill out your any detail that you would use to try and find this expense claim, anything for your reference. So let's make it September 2016 expense claim. Quite easy. But there's loads of space here for any additional details you want to put through. The last thing before you send this through to be approved is your payment date. Let's say you want to have this paid by the end of the week, so you'll select the 14th of October. This all obviously depends on the current payment schedule that Belinda has. Right, so then you're ready to submit your expense claim. Either you can submit it directly or you can save it for later in case you maybe misplaced a slip and you need to add it. You can save it for later. It'll save it as a draft. You'll see it pops up as a draft here, and it'll still be there when you get back if you want to add that slip. Once you're happy with the expense claim, you can just click Edit and Request, and then it'll pop through as a requested expense claim on the left hand side here. You'll also see on the expense claim there's a segment where you can leave comments. So this is where if when or your immediate manager has any questions related to the expense claim, they can just add a comment here. You'll get an email notification on your side, and you can leave a comment as well. That's it. Thanks very much. See you next time.